This is my reaction. Like, I'm officially reactionless because from 6:45 to 10:30, did this just really happen? Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Just Met on your feed, and we are here on a mini vacation. We have reached our destination. Hello everyone, good morning. We are off to somewhere for a mini vacation. So, এখন আমরা দমদম জাংশনে we are waiting for a train. এখান থেকে we will go to Shialda. Shialdar পর then we will have to go to Howrah, and then we have our train at 6:45 a.m. So let us go. You know, this is what I love about early mornings, though I wake up early every day for office, but this early in the morning when we get out now, it is this fresh air. It's really refreshing. This is the best part about early mornings. We are here on the train rescheduled from 6:45 a.m. to 10:30. This is my reaction. Like, I'm officially reactionless because from 6:45 to 10:30, did this just really happen? We decided we will not wait until 10:45 because it's a huge waste of time. So we are trying to take a bus. There was one single AC bus, only one, which was totally booked until the time we reached here. So now we have to go by a non-AC bus, and we are already sweating. But bus will depart at 8 a.m. Now it is 6:30 a.m. So we have to still wait for 1.5 hours. So see you there. We reached, finally we are here after a very tiring journey. It was a dreadful journey, guys. Hotel entrance, Hotel Swarna. I'll give you the proper room tour and everything. So stay tuned. Right now we are at the waiting area lounge, and my mom and my Masi are checking in. Everyone is waiting. They have provided us with refreshment drinks, and it's yum. Already the check-in formalities have been done. We are going to a room, but Puno wants to click some pictures, so I'll click some pictures of us and then we'll proceed to the room. We are going to our room number 308. This is the room. Ta-da! This is the mirror. First we have the mirror over here. We have the refreshments over here, the water bottles, mineral water bottles, normal water bottles. Moving on to, we have a TV over there, a rack over here, and a sitting chair which looks pretty cozy and also pretty stylish and elegant, with a tea table. This is the bed, guys, with 2 side tables, and also there are reading lamps, and there's a painting. So you also have intercom over there. There's also a very nice part, that is, Bunu, can you show it? Wow, is this for real? And this is actually huge. The balcony is huge. We have a table over there, a chair over there, and the pool of our hotel is here. So we have a pool view from this balcony. Like, I'm here at the corner, and this is the whole balcony, and this can be opened completely. The light that comes into this room is a lot. So overall this room is fab. Love it. And now, last but not the least, the washroom. This is the mirror again. We have a towel over here. We have the shower essentials. Listen, this is the washroom, and this is the shower area. It's pretty neat. It's pretty clean, I think. look at this. Ta-da! A mini fridge is also there. You can store, you know what I mean, everything here. I've come for breakfast. The buffet breakfast comes in the package. So we have tea, coffee, you can have juices, you can have lassi, there's rice kheer, there's like a variety of dish items. I'm not going to show all of them. Let some suspense be alive. And this is the restaurant setting, dining setting, and it's by the pool, by the way. Everyone is having their dinner. The interiors are so good, yeah. Just look at the wall. It's amazing. The pool. Out of the restaurant, we have this area, the prime attraction of the hotel. It's the pool area. We have another hidden treasure in this hotel, right beside the pool. That is the rain dance section. This is the rain dance section. Can you see? I am here inside the room because I cannot go down. I cannot get inside the pool or the beach, so you can almost say that it is kind of worthless planning a beach vacation when I am on my periods. But then still, vacation is a vacation, guys, and I live for vacations. I work for vacations. That's all I care about. We finished our lunch and we are back to going back to our hotel because it's so hot, the scorching sun. What happened? I think the sunscreen is also not gonna do anything because of the sun. Everyone is having ice creams. We are ready for the evening. This is our outfit. She is wearing what I wore in the morning, and I am wearing what she wore in the morning. Sisters, typical sisters.
ও মা এইগুলো কিন্তু নিতে পারো মা একটা গাড়িতে লাগানো
We have come for dinner. We have taken 1 paneer pulao, 3 butter naans, 1 paneer butter masala, and the chicken kosher. She looks so exhausted.
Good night everyone. That's all for today's vlog. Day 1 at Digha is up. Tomorrow we'll have another day, but I would like to just take a day off tomorrow from vlogging or shooting anything. I would just like to live in the moment. I hope you understand. So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Just Meshk signing off.